What's up, YouTube? We got the whole gang out here. Evo. Mike.
I rode in the Evo.
Okay, all right. So it's the Evo ride today. Got Gio. We got Nevada over there cleaning his wheels. All right. So today we have our new air cups. Well, they're not on right now, but we have our new air cups, and basically we're gonna throw them on. So I don't know what happened in between there, but the measurements got, you know, mixed up along the lines here. So this should be the right size hole for our shaft. Basically, they say it's supposed to sit level with the shaft. I had it sitting on the shaft. Simple mistake, I guess. My mistake though. So hopefully this is wide enough to go down. I did measure it, but I'm still skeptical because I got the first one wrong already. So this sits level with the shaft, and I'll show you guys later. And then, you know, the springs and everything goes on. So we should be able to fit all of our stuff on top of the, you know, top hat and everything. But first, we gotta go see our special tuner. The guy who tunes this and this. The amazing tuner. So, I'm gonna take a ride with both Evos, and maybe we might get Nevada to change a tuner. He said, yeah, All right. Let's head out to Bohemia. But you know, with every long road trip comes a gas station stop. So what gas you putting in this today, man?
E85.
85? Okay.
Sir.
Okay. All right.
85.
Yeah. With every long road trip, we need to stop at the gas station. We need to stop at the gas station. Mandatory. All right. But look at this lineup. That is nice. That is just nice. That might be the thumbnail. That just might be the thumbnail. So, a quick word from our sponsors. Let me head on over to Cincinnati.co. Get all your Cincinnati needs situated. Right, buddy?
I didn't know the video was so short.
Oh yeah. Don't forget to head over to Cincinnati. Get this 944 Evo t-shirt. Amazing.
Limited time only.
Yeah, limited time only. That's the words I'm looking for. Limited time only.
And black, I got the red obviously, but this is not it right now. The red's at home. See,
Yeah,
I can't spoil y'all.
Yeah, he's, you know what I mean, he's not supporting us right now.
Oh wow. Wow. Nah,
You know what I mean? But
I'm about to cry. Don't feel me. I'm about to cry.
Oh man, the tears are full. We're here in Chameleon tuning. Holy crap, this is the goals. This is just the goals. Mike, what do you think about the quality of this work, man?
Immaculate.
Bro, this is the difference between a shop build and my backyard build. This is just amazing. Like, if I had Oh man, this is the goals of what 944 should be like, guys. This is just amazing. Holy crap! Like my mind is blown. Already got the case swapped in here with a nice little manifold and the custom bell housing. Sheesh, man. This chassis is actually really nice for small motors. Look at the space we have all in the front. Might build one. Alright, that was fun. Got some valuable information. I gotta go check my shit. Woo! You got everything done?
Yeah, he even fixed see when I started, it's gonna correct faster than it did before.
Oh, nice. Nice. Alright. Let's try this again. We had some unfortunate mishaps last time. Should better fit. Yep, just fits. So that's how it's supposed to be, just like that, flush with the top. I actually thought it was supposed to be on the top like that, but whatever, simple mistake. Wasted my time, but whatever. So let's go ahead and drop this spring all the way down so we can get this thing to sit all the way flush with the top like they want it. Good. All right, super hype right now. Forgive my interior, but we have liftoff and back down. That is actually kind of fun. I'm not even gonna hold you. It's actually kind of fun. So, finally got it to work. Had a fun and productive video. Super hype, finally. So the air cups came out perfect. Barely see it in there, but perfect. I'm hyped, you just can't tell. I'm just tired. I'm like the shop cat. So that's about it for this video. Got a bunch more stuff to work on in there, but yeah. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Don't forget, never stop modifying.